We can offer a description of the G-code file we've produced. This is optimised for the multicam router. We have G and M codes. G codes determine various operations, as do the M codes. In our case here, G90 is a setup function, I believe, to set absolute units for the table. We then have information that a 14mm drill will be used. It's surrounded in brackets which indicate it's a comment. The third line is M6T1. This is a tool selection command, so we're selecting tool number 1. In fact, the table only has one tool position, so this is fairly arbitrary. The next line is G0, which is a rapid move to position, and that position is defined by the X67.68, Y46.87. This is a location on the table surface. We then have another X to the same position, followed by an M800 command. The M800 is a drill cycle. This is what's called a canned operation, and it will cause the drill to move down to the reference or the 0 position defined within the machine controller. It will then lift out again. The tool will then move to X28.68 and Y111 and perform another canned drill cycle at that location. It then continues with a number of these drilling locations down till it's complete at 28.68 and 1051 across the table. There is then a G0 move to move the tool up to the Z30 position. This is to clear the material on the table. We then have a G0, which is a rapid move to the home position on the table, and then M0 and M22 are termination functions for the table controller.